This is a Ficus Bonsai Tree. It is 10 years old. During the summer, you can change the soil, make cuttings, and prune your trees. That is what we are going to do today. It is important to maintain your bonsai tree, not only to keep it in shape but also its health. Changing soil can improve a bonsai's health in terms of nutrients and pH balance. However, you must cut off all its leaves so it can save its energy and prevent shock. Okay, let's give the ficus a haircut. This would only take a minute. First, I am going to use the pruning shear to cut all the branches that are pointing up. You can also use the branch sublighter to help. Then I'm going to use scissors to cut off all the roots above the soil because it is covered up the trunk. You can use a ficus branch for cutting or grafting. This root is soft and bending. You can use it and graft it with another branch to make another bonsai. All done. Now you can use all those branches to make more ficus bonsai like this. Put them in the training pot with akadama soil. Use the back end of the root rake to scoop the whole plants out of the pot. Push the root rake deep into the soil. There. Now use the front end of the root rake to remove the old soil. You can see there were too many roots and not enough soil. This could result in the lack of nutrients in the future. You can only do this during the summer. Ficus will grow new roots and leaves, no problems. I'm also going to cut out some of its roots. I would say take off about half of these roots. Now I have cut off most of the roots. Don't worry, once we plant it into another pot, or even the same pot with the new soil, it will grow new roots and leaves. Let's prepare the pot. I am using the same pot for this tree. Use the gene spreader to trace the wire. Then use the wire to hold the mesh down. I have a video about how to do this in the description. This time, I'm going to make another wire to hold the tree down. There are other ways to use wire. Check out another video of mine about other way to use wire. Align the front side of the pot and the front side of the tree. As you can see, the second wire has long arms to hold the trees down like this. Fill the pot with some new soil. I'm using Akadama soil because it is clean. Bend the wire over the soil and tie them together. You can poke the wire between roots to hold the trees even better. Make sure there's no gap between the trees and the pot. Using a stick or a chopstick, push the soil into the pot. Okay. Here I am just using the scissors to tidy up the tree. That's it for today's Ficus Summer Care video. We have pruned this tree, made a cutting and changed the soil. Soon it will grow new leaves and roots. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit this subscribe and notification button